Look at who we have here. Sam and Leia playing on their bouncer saucers. And Mrs. Chips. Sam likes to bounce. He's very good at it too. Yes. Yes, Leia. Yes, Leia. Do we have a little froggy? Hi. Do we have a little froggy? I think we might. Oh, jumping, jumping. Good job. Good job. Oh. We'll have to show Nanny and Shaw so they see how big you're getting. Very good. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.